Farm animal facts for kids. Cow. Cows have friends like people do. They're very social and like to hang out in herds of their other favorite cows. Cows only have bottom teeth. The average cow chews 50 times per minute, and they usually eat for 8 hours a day. That's a lot of chewing. Pig. There are around 2 billion pigs in the world. Pigs are very intelligent and have an excellent sense of smell. They use their snouts to find food and sense the world around them. Pigs can't sweat very much, which is why they like to roll in the mud. It's the best way for them to cool down. An adult pig can run almost 11 miles per hour. That means they can run a mile in 7 minutes. Cat. The average cat sleeps 16 to 18 hours per day. Cats have 5 toes on each front paw, but only 4 toes on their back paws. Cats can jump up to 6 times their height, and they use their tail to help them balance while jumping or walking along ledges. Cats have an extra organ that gives them the ability to taste scents on the air. That's why your cat might stare at you with their mouth open sometimes. Rabbit. More than half the world's rabbits live in North America. A rabbit's ears can be as long as 10 centimeters. That's 4 inches. Rabbits live for about 10 years. Rabbits reproduce very quickly, and their babies are born with their eyes closed and without any fur. Dog. Dogs are very smart. They can understand the same number of words and gestures as a 2-year-old child. Dogs use their whiskers to help them understand the world and to see better at night. A dog's sense of smell is 1,000,000 times better than a human's. Dogs can even use their sense of smell to tell how a human is feeling. For example, if you're nervous and start to sweat, your dog can tell. Sometimes dogs can sense when someone is sick or pregnant. Goat. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated. In the Near East, they were domesticated about 11,000 years ago. There were goats brought to America on the Mayflower in 1620. Just like cows, goats only have bottom teeth. Abraham Lincoln loved goats. While he was president, goats were some of the animals he brought to live at the White House. Duck. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds that live near both fresh and salt water. Ducks live on every continent except Antarctica. Because they spend so much time in the water, ducks have highly waterproof feathers and webbed feet. A duck's webbed feet don't have any nerves or blood vessels, so they can't feel the cold. It's pretty useful for living in frigid climates. Sheep. There are over 1 billion sheep in the world. Sheep are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. A sheep's fur is made of wool, and lots of humans use that wool to make clothes and other textiles. Sheep have very good memories. They can remember at least 50 individual sheep and humans for years. Chicken. Chickens can learn who you are too. They can remember up to 100 faces. Chickens have different kinds of clucks, which they use to alert other chickens and let them know what kind of danger is coming. Chickens start communicating with each other before they are even hatched. Mother hens will talk to their chickens while in their eggs, and the chickens will reply. The chicken is the closest living relative to the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Horse. Horses live to be about 25 years old. They have 205 bones in their skeleton. That's one less bone than a human has. Horses have bigger eyes than any other land mammal. Baby horses can walk and run just a few hours after being born.